In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an instructional video using your smartphone so it looks like it was actually filmed by a professional video production company. The first thing you need to do is understand shot sizes. So here's some examples here. Extreme close-up, you see where the camera zooms right into the eyes, and then just a normal close-up where it sort of goes to just to the bottom of the neck. You need to learn these shot sizes because we're going to use them in the next step, which is where we create our storyboard or our shot list. So let's just do it as simply as possible. You can get more advanced later and have different things like cutaways and lots of extreme close-ups and stuff. But I only want you to do like a 3 to 5 shot list, so you can do the process quickly and then learn all the other stuff that you need to learn, such as video editing. So in the video that I'm going to make, you'll see I'm going to do my introduction to camera, and then I'm going to do a close-up of the ingredients and explain them, and then I'm going to mix the ingredients. Step 3 is you set up your smartphone on a tripod. If you don't have a tripod, you can make do by taping it to a broomstick or using rubber bands with a broomstick and prop it up with a chair. You do need to have something like that though, because one of the things that makes it look professional is that the shots are always steady, and that's why we need a tripod. And then I've got some extra tips here as well regarding lighting, and not to worry if you make mistakes because we'll cut them out in the video editor and so on. Now, for the video editor, we're going to use OpenShot. And you can go and have a look at it over here. The nice thing about it is it's free and it's available for Windows, Linux and Macintosh. Okay, so let's get into OpenShot. And I've opened mine here. The first thing you want to do is set the default preferences. So go Edit, Preferences, and we want to change the profile to HD 1080p at 25 frames a second, and yeah, 44.1 is okay. Wow. Now let's go 48. And anything else in there? No, that looks about good. And so we close that, and it needs to restart OpenShot to confirm those preferences. So we'll close OpenShot and open it again. Right, now we need to import our videos. You can do that by either clicking on this plus or just right click in this window and go import files. So I copied the videos off my smartphone. To do that, you just need to plug your smartphone into your computer using the USB cable, and then from your computer browse to the DCIM folder. The videos are normally in there. I also renamed mine so I knew what order they should be in. So let's open those up, and now we've got our videos. See down here at the bottom of the screen are all of our video tracks. You can have as many as you like. We only need 1 or 2. So I've just scrolled down to the bottom so I can see track 1. And the first thing I'm going to do is drag and drop shot 1 down there. So if we then drag that fully to the left, we can see it here. Now I know I made heaps of mistakes in the beginning, so I'm just going to move it to where I reckon I actually start it, which I think is about here. Yes, it is. So what I'm going to do is just drag it back a little bit. That'll do. Now we grab our razor tool and we cut where that line is, and that allows us, hold on, firstly we'll unselect it. That allows us to delete the first part of the video, so I can click on the video and then click delete on my keyboard, and now it's gone. And then we can drag that video right back to the beginning, and now I'll see if I need to cut off the end of it as well. So I'm going to raise a cut at that point, and then unselect razor and click on that last bit of video and delete that. Then I'm going to go to shot 2. I'm going to drag that down and let's have a look at that. So it starts about there, so I'll raise a cut there, delete video, and then I'll just drag it a little bit left so it butts up to the end of the other one, and then I'll scroll along. See, I'm trying to find where I finished and started blending. Oh no, it's when I take it away. I think it's around about there.
You in the microwave and run it until it just starts boiling. So let's give that a go.
So I'll pause it there and I'll raise the cut, that last piece of video off. And deselect razor, select video, delete. And now I'm going to add my last piece of video. And let's have a look at that. So I'll grab my razor, trim the beginning. Delete. Butt it up there.
Okay, so my milk got nice and boiled. The reason that we want to do it hot like that is when we put it into the blender.
Right, now I want to go down to the bit where the blender is. Here it is. Because what I'm going to do is just cut a bit of the blending out because it's quite long. It's like 40 seconds. So I'll click play.
Make sure it's tight. Put it on here, it'll be really noisy.
And that's enough. So I'll cut it there. And then take it along until the blending stops. There it is. And cut it there. Oh, it's not selected. Whoops. Razor tool. And unselect razor. Select that middle piece of video and delete. Then drag that video to match up there. And I'll just make sure.
Use 2 teaspoons of hot chocolate, and to give it a bit of a kick, I'll use 1 teaspoon of cocoa. But that
Just seeing if I need to chop anything off the ends. Yeah, chop it about there. And then delete that. Right, so I'm just going to save this. So we'll go save project as, and I'll just put it in videos, and I'll call it instructional video 3. It should be called making chai or something like that one there, chai hot beverage, but that's okay. Save, and now we output the video. So we go export video, and it should have defaulted to all of our settings. Yes, that's good. and we just go export video. So while that's rendering, because it'll take a while, probably about 20 minutes, I'll pause this screen recorder, and then we'll come back and we'll upload the video to YouTube. Okay, our video has finished rendering in OpenShot, which is here. So now what we want to do is upload it to YouTube. So log into your YouTube account, click on the upload video button, and then click and browse for your file. And mine is in the videos folder, and it's called Chai Hot Beverage. Now I've actually already uploaded mine to save us time. So let's go and have a look at it, and I'll show you what I added to it. So if we go to, where's my videos? Library. And, oh, where's my latest videos? See all? Here it is, Chai Hot Beverage. Right, so I'm going to edit it and show you what I added. In today's lesson, I'm going to show. So I added a title, and it's got good keywords in it, so it'll get found when people search for it, and then a description, but most importantly, a link going back to my blog. And I also uploaded a custom thumbnail that has the words on it as well, which just makes it look a bit more professional. And then you add a couple of tags, so I added my company name and also the title of the video. So again, it can get searched better. And then what you want to do is you add it to your website. So as an example, here's my blog, and down the bottom I add the videos down here, and so there's the chai beverage one. Now when you're sharing on social media, don't share the video directly. You actually want to share like the link to your website, because then it drives all the traffic through your website. Another couple of tips here too on the reason we're doing this is that if you have a YouTube video on your web page, you'll get 50 times more chances of coming up on Google's first page of search results. There's more searches done on YouTube daily than all the other search engines combined. And the other big difference is a website is designed to convert users into customers, whereas social media channels like YouTube and Facebook aren't. So if you direct them back to your website, it's more likely that you'll get a client from them. So that's how you design and create an instructional video, and then edit it with OpenShot and upload it to YouTube.